I can't smell it either.
What do you think about the video?
Oh, it's on video? Oh, God. I can do that. We have a 911 here and I have a headache.
Is it a Saki headache?
I think so, Tammy.
What do you have to say? You're on video.
Oh my God.
What do we got? What do we got going on down
A
there?
ripped dress here.
Oh my God! Are those your fingers poking out of the hole?
No. I'm just like holding where I want to sew it. So I'm ready. It's like an inch.